Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street Words. Today's word is 10K. Now, this is an annual report filed by all public companies. The filing will appear on Edgar, so anyone can go to SEC.gov and see the annual report required to be filed by all public companies. Now, these reports are prepared by the company and then audited by an outside auditor. This is an important process to ensure that the financials are accurate and prepared properly under GAAP accounting. This is a legal obligation of the company and they must be filed every single year. If a company does not file these 10Ks, they risk delisting from the exchanges and actually not being a public company. So these are important filings. You can find a lot of information about them. 10K is the word, a really important part of the process. It's the annual report. Everyone should read every 10K about every company they own. It's a really good point of disclosure, risk factors. Hey, a side note here, Warren Buffett, one of the best investors in the world, reads annual reports, and these are how he makes his decisions on value. These annual reports are really, really important for him to know the disclosures being made and audited by the independent auditor. Now, one thing to note, when he decided not to invest in Lehman Brothers during the crisis in 2008, there's a great video about him talking about not doing it because he circled about 100 things in the 10K. The 10K is a very important document. Today's word is 10K. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.